Okay, so today we're making a skinny airplane. Little skinny airplane. So first what you're gonna do is bend this down right here. Like that. Just like that. Go like this. And you go like that. Then you twist it this side and then just fold it like that. After you make the thing right here, bend it this way. Do it with the other side too. The circle way. Maybe like this. Then you fold it this side. Then what you gotta do is flip this right there. So it's gonna be like this, and then you flip it like that. Okay. Now what you're gonna do is make things just like that. Then after that's gonna turn like that. And don't judge me by the woody thingy. It was just for my little brother. Oh yeah. Ow! So the airplane is really good to glide down. See? But if you you see how it's like this, if you turn it around like this, it's gonna be better. Whoa. So without the wings, if you make the wings and fold it back like that, so it will be better and they'll make spirals. So yeah, that's it for all the video. So bye. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.